Actually, the hard ones are easier than the medium ones. I find that out. Hard ones, finding the logic is easier. The code is less. So you know this question or no? 778. So let's describe the solution, okay? Oh, did somebody else join, or we are only few people of us? 5 participants. Okay, we have Anupama, Nilu, Abni, Kunal. Okay, which is good.
And if you can please tell me, like, because I haven't done this problem, I haven't read it also. So can you please tell me?
Say it again. You're unique, right?
No, I'm Anupama.
Yeah, Anupama. Yeah.
Yeah, if you can, like, give a small brief about the problem as well.
Yeah. I'll do that. So I think the first one we gave. So we'll do this one. What the problem is? 778.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So 778 says, let's take an example and we'll discuss. So you are on first day, you are at this position, 0 position. Okay. This is the array. It's a 2D array, and you are on. These are the let's say islands. So you are on first day. You are on 0, 0 island, and you need to reach n-1, n-1 island. Okay. Now there is rain happening at the rate of 1 level per day. So you can think it of as the land is like this is one land, this is second land, this is third land, this is fourth land, this is so this is these are the lands. Let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. So on day 0, everything is this is the land, the level of the land on that day. Okay. After day one of rains, level becomes adds 1 to lowest most level, which is this becomes, let's say we do it by this one at. Okay. Level 2 on the day 2, level adds 2 levels, add level 1 to lowest level, so it becomes slash at, and this becomes at. Okay. This becomes the levels. So you can only go from one level to another, one island to another, when the water level is equal to landmass, or the water levels are equal. So in the first day, first day you can't go anywhere, because this is level 1. Okay, you can't go anywhere. You have to wait for 1 day, you have to wait for 2 days, then you have to wait for the third day to go here. Basically 2 days to reach, go to the level island 1. So this is how the rain is falling. So rain falls, makes the level up, rain falls, makes the level up, rain falls, makes the level up. When the level reaches the next island level, you do the, you can go to that island. So this is how you travel to the, from one island to another. And any day you can travel as much as you want. So the question becomes, going from the 0th position, how do we reach the end position? Got the question? No?
Yes.
Yeah, idea, I think I got it.
So
But
basically, it
yeah,
is just a rainfall, right? Rainfall, the level of the lowest elements go up by one level.
The
Secondary rainfall
numbers
goes up by
here,
one
are
level.
they the levels? Like
Right?
the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, are they the different levels?
This is the island number, okay?
Okay.
And these are the so these are basically these are the levels for each of the islands.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? And the matrix is normally 0, comma 0, 0, comma 1, 0, comma 2, like this.
Okay.
So any given day, this is the position for 0, comma 0, 0, comma 1 is this, 0, comma 2. So
Mhm.
if you're going from 0, comma 0 to 0, comma 1, you have to wait for 1 day. Okay.
Right.
And similarly, if you have to go from 0, comma 1 to 0, comma 2, you have to wait for 2 days or 2 days. I think this is how it is because it will
Yeah.
just make the lowest level go up. It won't change the first level. I think
Mhm.
that's true. Yes. Okay.
So how is T represented time T?
Time t. Time t is like basically, if you think of it, is just the maximum level of the island. If the island is 4, it will take 4 days to reach there. So time t is equal to max level of an island.
Mhm.
So if you're saying, look at the question number, this one, right? If there's just a hash 1, 0, and 4, so time will be equal to 4. So which is equal to max level of an island in the middle. So let's say in a single D array, we have 0, 4, 2, comma 1. You need to reach from, this is the array, you need to reach from 0 to position 0 to position 3, which is 0 to 1, but you need to cross 4. So you have to wait for 4 days. So t equal to 4. Got it?
Mhm.
So going from any level from one place to another, the time will become the max level of the island in the middle. Fine. So how do we do this question? Question is interesting in the sense it's kind of an island question. We start with 0, 0 and get all 4 surrounding regions and push to a heap. Okay.
Okay.
So then, okay, let's say our heap has entry 0, comma 0 earlier, the start initializing 0, comma 0. So while heap is going on, is not empty, we try get min val from heap and get 4 surrounding regions and keep push it to heap and get the values. Okay. Similarly, keep on doing while the heap is there. Keep on pushing it to the this thing. Also, make sure you have the visited set because you can go up and down multiple times. You only want to keep the lowest value for the island. Okay. Fine. So once we do this, as soon as we hit the n minus 1 comma n minus 1, we say we push the max island we saw while doing above loop. You got the question, or how I solved it, or no? So you're saying that start with 0, 0. Let's do the example. 0, comma 0. We say there is an option of, let's say 0, comma 0 will only go down to 1, comma 0, and 0, comma 1. Push it to heap. So 0 has the value, our value is 0, and 1, 0 has 24. This is 23. Okay. If you look at
That's one.
we have 1. Okay. This is 0, 1. So we push this on the heap. After this, what is the minimum? Min on heap is, we also push, you not just push the value, we also push the coordinate 1, comma 0, and we push so now we say heap pop, which is written 1, comma 0, comma 1, and then we say what are the neighbors for this thing. Neighbors for ngh for 0, comma 1 are 0, comma 2 and 1, comma 1, right? So we push on the heap the values 0, comma 2 is 2, comma 0, comma 2 and 1, comma 2 is one value is 23, comma 1, comma 2. So on the heap we see on the heap we will have the values
24.
Okay, so we have 3 values now.
Yeah.
Now again we say heap pop, which will return, which will say 2, comma 0, comma 2, which is a new value. Okay. Again we say find the neighbors for 0, comma 2, find all the values and put it on the heap. Keep on doing it, and sometime you will see n minus 1, comma n minus 1. Okay. Other thing which you need to do is keep track of max island so far. So we always have this something like max island equal to max of max island, comma max grid or whatever that is nums. This is grid. Yeah, grid of x, comma y. So when you see this one, you just return max island. So you're doing a kind of a greedy approach here. We're just saying that go to the first island, find all the neighbors of it and put it in a heap. Then find the one which is the lowest island, get it, and then iterate on all the lowest values of that one, and keep on doing that way. Certain time you will reach the minimum and just return from there. Because you reach the end and then return from there. Questions? Or is it still not understood?
So Ankur, max island is number of island, or it will be like how many times we cross the island?
No, we only cross one island one time. We never cross multiple the island multiple times. Okay, we keep a track of visited. Okay, let's do
Okay,
the,
okay.
okay.
Mhm.
We say we start with 0, 0. This is our set. So keep our visited flag. We don't go into the problem again. N is equal to end of grid. We say PQ is equal to, so this is our heap, and I put to use heap Q. Okay. So we say heap Q dot heap push. We push the value grid of 0, 0, comma x, or 0, comma 0. Okay. So we do days equal to 0 for now. For while keep Q, while sorry PQ, we just go to PQ. So we do PQ is val comma x comma y equal to PQ dot heap pop of PQ, and days equal to max of days comma grid of x comma y. Okay, so this is for the, what is the current value for, this is for least element in heap. This is for what, how many days I need to wait to come here. So this is the max of till now, the biggest silent table. We see that. Okay. If we say x equal to y equal to n minus 1, return days, which is we reach the last entry in the heap, in the last box in matrix. Okay. Now, as we did in the matrix one, we see what are the values we can iterate on. For cx comma cy in, okay, so there are 4 values down, which is x plus 1 comma y, x minus 1 comma y. This is left and right. This is x comma y plus 1, x comma y minus 1. So these are the 4 values which we, four directions of cell. If cx comma cy and visited, continue. We don't want to do twice, and we say if 0 is less than equal to cx, is less than n, and 0 less than equal to cy is less than n, then we say heap q dot heap push. The value at the node is grid of cx, cy, pq comma grid, cx comma cy. This is what you are putting the grid. I'm missing some bracket. Yeah, and we say visited dot add cx comma cy. So we are saying first we got 0, 0 here. Okay. We say what is the max value over the position. If we reach the last node, then return the max value. Otherwise, go up, down, left, right. So already visited, leave it, continue. If it is not out of bounds, then go here and add it to the heap push, to the heap, and add the node. So certain time we reach the node x equal to n minus 1, then we return the days.
Ankur, yeah. Heap push, you need to specify heap.
Which line number is it?
58.
58 is, oh sorry, heap push is PQ. Why is this? The syntax error, indentation error? Definitely indentation error. Okay. Okay. And we go here. Yep. So basically, the last question is, I did it before some time ago, so I know the answer. It's not like I did the first time. Don't feel that I did it right now sitting over here. I've done it before. So this is for my practice. Now I did it twice. It's useful for me. I'll remember it. So that's a good thing about my teaching part, that I get to practice more. But I was able to do the question. That was not a problem. But yeah, so do that. I think it's useful if you can do the question and explain to somebody.